How to get Temu coupon code. If you want to get free stuff on Temu, then this video is for you. For that, first of all, open any browser you have on your device, then on the searching bar search for Temu. Go through its official website and make sure that you have logged into your account. Now, there is one link on the description. You have to simply copy and paste it on your browser. Then, this interface will be seen where you will get user gift. You can get 20% off, 15% off, and 10% off with free shipping and free returns. You just have to simply sign in to get this new user gift. In this way, Temu gives a lot of coupon code and free stuff. And this is how you can get it. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then please do not forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.